Okay, ready?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah.
I'll go first.
Okay.
Cassandra, first of all, I love you. You're my best friend and my forever person. I cannot imagine this life without you by my side. And today I'm so excited to say that I indeed get to officially spend forever with you.
Love. I can't believe where we are today, but sometimes I can't even believe that it's only been 5 years since that summer we spent almost every night in the park together. I look back on everything that we've done with so much happiness. I feel like I've known you for my whole life. I cannot ever picture my life without you by my side. And because of you, I am a better person. And because of you, I know what unconditional love really is.
Cassandra Laura Mitchell, you are my home, you are my love, and most importantly, you are my for always.
I'll go chasing rainbows, near or far, I'll color your world.
Chrissy Alec, here we are at your wedding. I would like to take a minute to acknowledge where we are right now, to recognize the natural beauty of our surroundings, the glaciers, the incredible clouds, the mountains. A beautiful place to get married, acknowledging this is on the unceded and traditional territory of the Squamish and Leetwatt Coast Salish people.
Without you, the sky won't ever change.
You have taught me so much about life. I hope you never change who you are, and I appreciate everything you stand for as a human, and I want you to know you're my hero. You also brought a cat into my life, and I'll forever be indebted to you for that.
Everything that you are and do inspires me in more ways than you actually realize. I am so proud of the man that you are, and every day I am amazed by your ability to see the good in every situation and every person, even when I don't see it.
With this ring,
we forge a new path
we forge a new path
on our journey.
on our adventure together.
I will always love you.
I will always love you.
Now you will feel no rain, for each of you will be shelter for the other. Now you'll feel no cold, for each of you will be warmth to the other. Now there will be no loneliness, for each of you will be companion to the other. Now you are two persons, but there's only one life before you. May beauty surround you both in the journey ahead through all the years. May happiness be your companion, and your days together be good and long upon the earth.
I'll go chasing. I'll go chasing.
Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.